Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to add a TikTok to your story. Sharing TikToks in your story is a fun way to engage with your followers and spread the TikTok magic. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Find a TikTok video that you want to add to your story. You can browse through your For You page or search for a specific video. Step 3. Once you've found the video, tap and hold on it. This will activate the video options. Step 4. Scroll down and look for the Add to Story option. When you find it, tap on it to add the TikTok to your story. Step
I didn't want to see you again for the rest of my whole life, and I didn't want to see anybody else.
5. Now, you can edit your story to make Get creative and have fun with it. Thank you for watching and happy storytelling.